Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Aura frame not connecting to Wi-Fi, troubleshoot network, power and firmware issues. Fix 1. Restart the Aura frame. First unplug the frame from the power outlet and wait for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for the frame to fully start. Then try connecting to Wi-Fi again. Fix 2. Restart your router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router and wait for around 1 minute. Then plug it back in and wait until all lights become stable. Then try connecting the Aura frame again. Fix 3. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Remove the current Wi-Fi connection from the frame if possible and restart the frame. Now run the Wi-Fi setup again and select your network and then reconnect. Fix 4. Factory reset the Aura frame. Keep the frame plugged in and press and hold the reset button or follow the reset instructions for your Aura module. Now wait for the frame to restart and set up the frame again using the Aura app. Fix 5. Check the Wi-Fi password. Open the Aura app and select your frame and start Wi-Fi setup again. Now carefully enter the correct Wi-Fi password and avoid any extra spaces or typing mistakes. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.